Hi teacher, I am Carolina Muñoz Vargas and today I'm going to share with you some resources that I use in my pedagogical practices at Eagle Institute here in Pitalito, Huila. But first of all, I would like to say that in the institute there are many technological resources such as a computer or internet because they have been working in a virtual way, and this year they started with the presential or face-to-face classes, and for that reason they are organizing everything, the place. But I'm trying to I try to find a way to incorporate IST. Well, I am working with children between 9 and 11 years old, and then I like to share with them audios through speakers according to the topic. For example, the alphabet, animals, family members. In colors, I share with them songs or music, very funny for them, and they learn in a very creative or excellent way. And in the last class, I use or share with them Duolingo app. Yes, it was great for them. They learn vocabulary through different games or different with lessons. And that I did in this class was share with them in my phone, the app, and everyone had to translate the correct sentence according to the lesson. For example, lesson number 1. And it was great for them because they learn in a very funny way. And I say my students, please trying to use this app in your home because it's great. They can improve and acquire more knowledge in a very I think very creative, cool a way. And final, I use with them a website called Word Reference. Yes, because that is a dictionary. Then in my phone again, I share the website. And maybe they don't know some or the pronunciation of the different words. Then say me, teacher, how do you pronounce this word? I didn't catch, and I have no idea. And then I share the word, and I say it was great. It was great for them, yes, because they like to ask all the time. Teacher, how do you say that? Teacher, this pronunciation, and so on. And that was all. Teacher, these were the apps and website that I use in my pedagogical practice. Thank you. Bye bye.